Hey, that's sick. Hey, that's sick. That's sick.
That's not sick, that's stupid.
Oh, dude.
Brand new Porsche Taycan, whatever you want to call it, turbo. This is the first one I've driven. It's pretty wild. So this car is very fast.
It is.
Super fast. Instant torque. I've driven all those crazy Teslas, maybe faster. I don't know. We turned the traction off on it and it became a whole different beast. It burns out, peels out, fishtails, all that stuff. Actually makes it really fun to drive. Inside is pretty basic, just like, you know, most electric cars, right? You don't like that.
Yeah, but inside I don't like it at all. Like for the Porsche, they have to make some. I think the Porsche, they usually. Oh, shit. I think the Porsche, they design the same thing. Doesn't matter.
I mean, I get it. It's very bland here. Yeah. I'm not.
The worst thing of this car is the shifter. They put
the shifter is up underneath the cluster on the right side, behind the windshield wiper. Literally, it's like the windshield wiper is blocking the shifter. It has the electric speaker, so it's giving us a little bit of sound.
I heard the Porsche Carrera Turbo S, they're gonna make the same thing, 2.6 seconds 0 to 60. So this car is 2.8 seconds. Yeah, this is not the Turbo S. This is the Turbo.
So this is our good client Larry. We did the 458 prior design wide body project for him and other several cars. He just got this. He wants to go wide body on that.
I think it's gonna look nice.
But prior design has a rendering not available. We are waiting for a response from Mansory right now because they do have a rendering up. So hopefully soon Mansory responds, could get us this kit, and we could do a Mansory wide body project on this. That will be pretty epic. RDB wheels, I think, will look crazy on this. Right now the wheels look small. They're very in. The offset is terrible. They made that look really funky in my opinion. They should have made it a little bit more aggressive. Yes. He has the very expensive wheel option too, but I'm just not a fan of them. I think they look weird with the silver.
I think 23's in the back, 22's in the front.
That's too big. Too big? That's too big. This car has the air suspension also, so when you put it in sport mode, it goes down. So I think 22's are just big enough for this car. It looks wide too, so imagine a wide body. The back end, the diffuser looks cool because there's no exhaust tips. The diffuser like sticks out. So if we don't get the wide body in time, we could do some other stuff on it.
Imagine the Turbo S, how fast it will be.
This thing it's wicked fast. Instant torque is nuts. But this is really cool too. You can feel the shifting. You know, the Teslas, you don't feel the shift. Yeah. This, you can feel it like shift into the gears. It's kind of cool. This car is how much? I think it's 150.
This one, the Turbo S is 185. I think this one
160 maybe.
Yeah, maybe close.
Like
but imagine with options, maybe it will pass the 180 something. Porsche has the worst thing. The base package, you have to pay for every single package.
Well, that's how Ferrari is. That's how they all are.
Yeah, but Mercedes and the BMW, they're not like that. Like Audi, they're not.
Well, yeah, those are more normal cars. I would say these are more, you know, specialty cars.
Yeah, I fucking love you guys, 100%. Everything y'all do is flawless. Love it. Thank you, man. 24. Really, 24? 24. 100%, bro.
Thanks, man. Thank you.
Appreciate it. All right, man. It'll be easy.
All right, bye, you guys. Have a good day. Be safe.
Alright guys, we got this Rolls Royce Dawn behind me. This is actually a black badge. Comes factory with this black and orange look. Really the nicest interior of a Dawn I've ever seen before. That says a lot. I've seen a lot of Rolls Royce Dawns. This thing is probably my favorite right now because of that interior. Also has this orange pinstriping, which is crazy. This customer, JJ Smith, she came to us actually yesterday, and this car was stock. She wanted wheels, and luckily for her, we had RDB wheels in stock for this vehicle, which is honestly the best looking wheel for the Rolls Royces. We did a 3-piece configuration, two-tone black, of course. Factory center caps are on there again, which also have that matching orange that goes with the full vehicle. It's completely black and orange, this car. It looks crazy. If you're gonna have a Rolls Royce Dawn, this is like the top of the game right here. So, of course, with the RDB wheels and the drop, it's stunning now. She's gonna come pick it up. She's gonna be super happy with this. This is an incredible Rolls Royce Dawn. Now you got like the top of the line.
The rims they seem like they should be blacker. Like clean.
Armor all. There's no armor all on it.
You have no armor all
No, we
on
can
it.
do it. We just finished it.
That looks clean. I think it's good to
God.
Feel like it.
It's fire. No, I saw it on your page, and I saw it, and you had it on the orange.
It's night and day difference.
And I was like, man, this will make my car so hot.
This is crazy.
And it was funny because we were just scrolling on the gram too.
We're
It was one of those mornings just scrolling
And
on
I
the
was
gram.
like, yo!
And we was just like, oh,
Yo!
If you want to stunt on people when you're parked, you can lower it.
Oh, we need it. Yeah, we gotta see this.
See this button right here?
Yep.
You press that down, and you see it's blinking.
Yeah.
That means it's going down.
I see it.
And then when it gets a solid orange, that means it's all the
All the
way
way
down.
down. What? So that was already there.
That was already there.
We didn't know about that. Let me see it again. So how do I lift it back up from there?
You press up,
and then it comes
and
back
then
up.
it'll go to the middle, and
Uh-huh.
you're good again. But look, automatically when you're driving, it's always going to go to the middle. It
Oh,
doesn't
it's just
stay down.
automatic.
It doesn't stay down.
Okay.
oh, but this is just like when you're parked or something.
Oh, nice.
Behind me, we got the 458 Prior Design Widebody Project. Car came back to us. Larry wanted to add a few little things to it. We added a full laser jammer system on there for off-road use only. And we also added this cool copper type finish all around the bottom of the vehicle to match the wheels. He wanted to add a little bit of custom flavor to it. So we went in and did that with some wrap. So it's all reversible. We just test drove his Porsche. I have the shirt on here. As you guys could see, it's an RDB shirt. It has red, blue, and orange. This is the Armenian flag colors. I have behind me the Urus, which is my Urus, and also the Armenian flag colors. And it says Peace for Armenia. I'm gonna be wrapping my vehicle very, very soon like that. However, I want to briefly speak about Armenia. I've been posting it on my stories, very verbal about it because there is very bad things happening in the world. The world is kind of silent about it due to politics and money. Armenia went through a genocide in 1915. 1.5 million of my race was wiped off the world. We lost 80% of Armenia land. Soviet Union, Stalin illegally handed over a portion of Armenia to Azerbaijan. Azerbaijan wants that territory back, even though it's all Armenians inside. So they are deciding to bomb civilian towns, kill children, commit another genocide really to take over just that land. So the world is very quiet about it. False propaganda on Azerbaijan's side. We have evidence of all that stuff. It's crazy that I'm talking politics on this channel. It's something I do not want to do, but the world needs to hear about it. I'm still accepting donations on Venmo. We're gonna be piling up a lot of money and sending it to Armenia Fund. That's where the shirt comes in. So this shirt is gonna be on the website very soon. Actually, when this video is out, the shirts will be on the website. All the proceeds from this shirt, every dollar of it is going to be donated to Armenia Fund. We're doing 100 of them. So go on the website. This is a limited shirt. All of it's being donated. So thank you for your support. Well, he just got this car, brand new. And first thing he did is call me, of course, and said we need to do a few things, and exhaust was the first.
So how much is the
and tune.
exhaust to do?
Exhaust, this is probably around like 8-9 grand, and then you should tune it because you're taking the cats out, so it has a tune. We ordered wheels, some special really nice wheels, and springs, so we're gonna lower it and do wheels next.
Is it RDB wheels?
No, they're gonna be something else. we picked another special design, and then
So we do other wheels too.
we do everything. So wheels and suspension next in like 2 weeks.
We did a test drive today, Porsche Taycan, and this is faster than a Porsche. That's why I love Ferrari. But loses the control big time.
That's what I'm talking about. The Taycan is just gonna go. This is gonna lose traction. We'll put it on race mode so it has a little bit more traction.
Okay, so
And,
you did change it. That's why it's losing control.
I turned traction off.
Okay, so
Because right now with traction on, it's gonna limit the power.
okay,
But it should feel good.
okay, that's it.
But this car is third gear is where it's gonna be like the
I
power.
love Ferrari.
In this car, it sounds nice. And this one has a valve, so we could.
Close it.
Yeah, it's off now, so more quiet, and then we'll turn it back on.
Yeah, you feel the difference.
Yeah, we'll drive it right now for a second with the exhaust off, just to feel it, you know. Oh yeah, nice. It's almost like
But
stock.
I think it doesn't match to Ferrari, the sound. You need like more powerful sound. Yeah, I love Ferrari. This one will kill the Porsche any single day.
F8 is an awesome car for sure. He called me asking me if he should get a Pista or an F8. I asked him how long he's gonna keep the car. He said 1 to 2 years. So I said F8. Because the Pista is a special car, but I mean this is the newer model. So
Yeah, but there is no newer model Pista, correct?
no, that's not out yet. That will be, I don't know what they're gonna call it then, but that will be the new model of this. But the Pista, a lot of people are getting it now because they want to probably collect it. But he doesn't care to collect it, so I think the F8 was a smarter choice for him. And I mean, this car's beautiful. Once we do the wheels and springs, it's gonna look even crazier. But yeah.
I don't like this Ferrari. You know, that's plastic back. It used to be like a glass. Now it's plastic.
I'm not sure why they did that, but yeah, you're right. Over the engine bonnet.
Yeah, but I love this car. I will take this car any day. It's because of the tune, it loses the control, or it's just everything.
This car stock loses a little bit of traction too, but the tune for sure is making it worse. Because this got about 100 horsepower right now with the tune. So definitely a lot more
Better
power.
than Porsche.
Yeah.
Better than Porsche. Any single day. Like 100 times better than a Porsche. If you think Porsche is faster, sit in this.